SI Town Hall is an initiative by Binild Hi-Fi DOST Technology Business Incubator. It stands as a testament to our collective commitment to empower our fellow LaSalle and neighbor HEIs across the Philippines. It serves as a platform where we come together to explore the transformative power of design thinking framework. Through SI Town Hall, we embark on a journey of discovery where real-world problems meet innovative solutions. It's a space where our ideas come to life and our actions create meaningful change. You can support us in our crowdfunding campaign to bring the SI Town Hall initiative to our fellow LaSallians at St. Joseph School, LaSalle, Bacolod. Let us create positive change with the tools and mindset needed to tackle real-world challenges through innovation. By patronizing our incubation services and products developed with our startups, you can shape the future of social innovation at our SI Town Hall, where the seeds of change are sown and the fruits of innovation are harvested. Be a catalyst for innovation in our community. #Trailblazing Biniljan Innovation. Animo Binild.